feel so cold. It's raining.
Stop right there. If you can't reach that, well, no entry.
That's not a problem.
Here, see for yourself.
Wow, what long legs he has.
Whoa! Get in then! Stop! There's just one rule. Reach the mark if you want to go in.
Let me do it for you. Now watch. Height reached. We're going in.
Not so fast! The two of you cheated. Bye!
Well, dear, we can do something about that.
Ew! But I stink. Just look at me.
How about a Pour to Mommy Longlegs makeover?
Nom, 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 nom. Yummy.
Oh no! Look at you! Oh, all covered in trash!
Ouch! Garbage! But I'm so hungry.
Hold on! How about a lollipop? Want this? Come, follow me! Yes, that's right! Get in! It's ready! Oh, just look at you!
Wow! My hair's so pretty!
And we're not done yet!
Is that insecticide? Ooh!
Uh-uh! Ta-da! We dyed her hair pink, just like mine!
What is she holding?
Let me taste it. Oops! Oh no! The bath bomb fell!
Flush it quick! Oh no! It's overflowing!
What happened? Oh, I see. I'm gonna use my long arms for that. Diving in. What? A hot dog bun? Ew!
Can I have it?
Oh, look! Glitter! I have an idea! We could use this as eye makeup. Just wait and see. The eyebrows are bushy. Hold on, I'm not done yet. Let's trim them using an electric breast trimmer.
Wow! I love it! I'm so pretty! Just like Mommy. Ouch! That hurt! Huh? My clothes are ruined!
What's the matter? Are you hurt?
Look at my clothes!
Well, first, let's use this frozen vegetable pack to make you feel better. Let me do something for you.
Wow! Mommy Longlegs' arm reached out across the globe! Waiter! Anybody here? Mommy Longlegs is reaching for the tablecloth! Terrible service!
And here it is, a pink velvet cloth. Let's cut a hole.
Wow!
Wear it. We're not done yet.
And here goes Mommy Longlegs again! Huh? How embarrassing!
Here, I finally have it. A sparkly belt. Here you go. Aren't you adorable?
This is so pretty! Ooh, pink! The color I need. Is anybody here? Well, I'm gonna eat it. My colorful homemade pasta. Nom, 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 nom. Hello there.
Huh?
Oops, busted.
What's that? It's gone. on! My makeup? Is that it? But don't you worry. We're gonna do something fun. Costume change! And now, this bowl of pink discs. Let's melt it. Let's pour it in. Now we have lipstick. And a DIY lip stencil. Let's try it on you. Wow! Check it out! So pretty! Yummy!
You ate it?
Try it! It's edible lipstick! Yummy?
Look at those dirty feet!
Yippee!
Oh no! I just can't! Excuse me!
Sorry!
Let's fix this. Here's a pair of boots. Wear them while I stretch my long arms. And here's a watering can.
Is that Sprite?
Well, no wonder the plants here are extra strong. Let's try it anyway. So, let's pour some Sprite into these cute pink boots. Now wear them. Soak those dirty feet. Let's add the long leg soap.
Wow, so bubbly! And my legs turned pink! Yay! This is so awesome!
Glad you like it.
Oh, the slide is all wiggly!
And oh, so dangerous too! Mommy Longlegs, help! Catch her, quick! Oh no, you're too late!
Hello there, Mommy! I'm fine after all!
Good to know. But who's hiding in the bushes? It's Bowser!
You think you're safe now? It's raining splitters!
This power mushroom will take care of it.
Is that Bowser?
Oh, yeah.
I got a splinter in my foot!
Here's a lollipop. There, hush now. And of course, let's take out that splinter. There you go. Now wear these shoes.
No, I want these sparkly Mommy Longlegs shoes.
How about some DIY? Let's paint glue all over the shoes. And then sprinkle some pink shimmery glitter. Isn't that pretty? What do you think? Let's see if they fit. Wear a pair of pink gloves too. Transformation almost complete. All done. Okay, I'm gonna sit for a bit. Whoa! Oops!
Whoa! Mommy Longlegs, where are you?
Here!
My room is a mess! Can you fix it?
Oh, of course I can! Open your eyes now! Look around you!
Wow! Is this my room?
Oh, yes it is!
Thank you, Mommy!
Okay, time to go!
Wait! Please don't leave me! Please stay with me!
Why not? Dance with me!
Mommy Longlegs is sneaking out!